Cooking egg this way is absolutely delicious. And when you combine with some bread, oh man, the flavor is so good. And today, my best friend is gonna teach me how to cook some eggs. I will show you all the ingredients I need for today's video. Mugwort is a natural remedy that has been used in many parts of Asian culture. And of course, we cannot skip the fresh cilantro. It is always one of my favorites. And then I'm gonna add 4 eggs. And for the seasoning, I'm gonna add some MSG, some salt, and some sugar. And of course, we cannot forget the fish sauce. I'm gonna beat the eggs and the mugwort like I'm playing basketball. And this is a pan I'm gonna use for today's videos. I'm gonna heat the pan and then add some oil until the oil getting really hot. Oh my god, it looks so good. And the frying sound is so satisfying. And by the way, this is my girlfriend and she didn't speak any English, so I do a translation for her. And you're gonna need 2 bread. And now the eggs come in. I'm gonna put some fresh cilantro on top. Oh, by the way, where are you watching my video from? If you like it, please subscribe and I will see you next time.